Children, let us do today the sums of practice set 3.1 algebra arithmetic progressions. The first question given in your textbook is which of the given sequences are in AP? AP means arithmetic progression, and they are saying if they are AP, find the common difference. Means if the sequences given are in AP, then we have to find the common difference. So this is the first sequence given to us. So let us see whether it is in AP or no. So first of all we have to write the first term. First term means the first number given in the sequence. Then the second term, that is the second one, is called as a second term. We will write it as T2. T means term, T2 means second term, T3 third term, T4 fourth term, and so on. Now we have to find the difference of the second one to the first one, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. Similar manner, third one to the second, T3 minus T2 is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Similar manner, fourth to the third, T4 minus T3 is equal to 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. Here children, if you can see the difference everywhere, you are getting it as a common number 2. Therefore we will write it as the common difference, which is represented as small d, is equal to 2, which is constant. Children, when you are subtracting, always you are getting 2, so we will say that it is constant. Hence the given sequence is in an AP, and they ask find the common difference, which we have already found as D is equal to 2. Fine. So in this manner you have to find all the answers for rest of the questions. The second one is given to us 2, 5 upon 2, 3. In the textbook children, the question is given wrong. Even that question, if it is given to you in the examination, you have to do in the same manner, not to change anything. So here the first term is 2, the second term is 5 upon 2, the third term is 3, the fourth term is 7 upon 2, which we have modified children. And if it is given as per the textbook, not to modify it in any manner, you have to do as is given to you. So I will show the textbook question also. Let us do this first. Now when we are finding the difference between two terms, T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 upon 2 minus 2. The 2 is having the denominator as 1, so therefore the LCM of the denominator, cross multiplication, and again the cross multiplication with the numerator, 5 ones are 5 and 2 twos are 4, that gives us 1 upon 2. And T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 minus 5 upon 2. Again in the same manner, 3 is having the denominator as 1, so the cross multiplication of the denominators and then with the numerators, that again gives us 1 upon 2. T4 minus T3 is equal to 7 upon 2 minus 3 upon 1. Similar manner, the cross multiplication of the denominators and with the numerator. So 7 ones are 7 and 3 twos are 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. So you'll write the statement, the common difference D is equal to 2, hence the given sequence is in AP. So they have asked to write the difference also. So at the end you can show given sequence is an AP where D is, the common difference is 1 upon 2 children. D is equal to 1 upon 2. Fine. Now let us see the third one in the same exercise. Question number 1, the third bit children. What is given? See, the third one is given as -10, -6, -2 and 2 and so on. Children, take in the same manner what is T1, T2, T3 and so on. T1 is over here -10, T2 is -6, T3 -2, T4 2 and so on. Find the difference between two terms. T2 minus T1 is equal to -6 minus of -10, where there is a negative. Be careful with the brackets. You will get it as -6 plus 10, and that gives us 4, positive 4. And similar manner, find the next T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 gives us -2 minus of -6. Alright, when there is a negative, be careful, put the brackets and solve the brackets first. Minus and minus, plus and 6. So T4 minus T3, 2 minus of -2, that gives you 2 plus 2 and 4. Here the common difference, if you can see, is 4 everywhere. So you have to write the common difference D is equal to 4, which is constant, and hence the given sequence is in arithmetic progression, which you can write in the short as AP, and D, the common difference, is equal to 4. And if they will ask what is the first term, you can write it as T1 is equal to -10, only if they ask, otherwise not required. The fourth question is given as 0.3, 0.33, 0.333 and so on. Now the sequence has the first term T1 as 0.3, second term T2 as 0.33, third term as 0.333. So find the difference between two terms, T2 minus T1, 0.33 minus 0.3. How to find the difference, children? Put it one under the other. 0.33 exactly under the decimal, to the right 3, to the left 0, and what is empty, fill it with 0. So you will get it as 0.03. In the same manner, this is T2 minus T1. Now T3 minus T2, that gives us 0.333 minus 0.33. In the same manner, children, while negating this, be very careful. Under the decimal which is empty, take the help of 0 in that place. That means fill it with 0. So you will get it as 0.003. So you have to write in this place, children. See, the difference is not common, so you have to first show it. T3 minus T2 is not equal to T2 minus T1. Therefore, the common difference is not constant. You have to write the statement compulsorily. The common difference is not constant. Therefore, the given AP is not the given sequence is not an AP. Not AP. We are not getting an AP. The given sequence is not an AP. So you have to highlight it, children. It is not an AP. Alright. Now let us come to question number 5. What is given? See, 0, minus 4, minus 8 and minus 12. Where there is negative, be very careful with that. Write the terms. First term is 0, second term as minus 4, third term as minus 8, fourth term is given as minus 12. So the difference between two terms, the back one to the front, children. So minus 4 minus 0 gives you minus 4. Now the back one to the front, that is T3 minus T2 minus 8 minus 4. Put the brackets wherever is required, and then the behind one to the front, T4 minus T3, that is minus 12 minus of minus 8. That will give you minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. As you see, you got all common. Therefore, you will write the common difference D is equal to minus 4, which is constant. This is compulsory to be written, children, because this carries marks in the boards. Hence, the given sequence is an AP. The given sequence is an AP. Alright. Come to the sixth one, given as minus 1 upon 5, and all are minus 1 upon 5 only. So let us see. T1 minus 1 upon 5, that is a first term, T2 the second term, and T3 the third term. And how is it given? So difference of two terms, minus of minus 1 upon 5, that gives us 0 with the first. Now T3 minus T2, minus of minus 1 upon 5, be careful, put the brackets and then only solve. That gives us 0. And similar manner, if you find all the differences are constant, so you will write the common difference D is 0 which is constant. Therefore, the given sequence, we will say that it is in AP as you have got D is constant 0. Okay, let us come to the 7th one, children. A bit of the surds it is given 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. It is not very difficult, it looks like that only. T1 the first term 3, T2 the second term 3 plus root 2, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 is given as 3 plus 3 root 2. So therefore find the difference of the two terms given as 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel. You are left with root 2 only, and T3 minus T2 gives us 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, children, put it in the bracket first because you are negating. Now the change of signs when you open the brackets, minus 3 minus root 2 minus 3 plus 3 cancel, and root 2 has no number with it, means always the 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 root 2, can always be written as only root 2. Similar manner we have already done. Therefore, if you see, the common difference is constant over here, children. D is constant, so we will write as D is equal to root is constant. Therefore, you have to write compulsorily given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Fine. Now come to question number 8, children. Given as 127, 132, 137, and so on. It looks quite easy. The first term 127, the second given as 132, the third one is 137, and so on. So the difference between two terms, 132 minus 127, is equal to 5. T3 minus T2, 137 minus 132, again 5. Therefore, the common difference is D is equal to 5, which is constant. Therefore, you have to write the final answer. The given sequence is an AP where D is, the common difference D is 5. Here also you have to write, children, the common difference D is root 2.